nagtungo naman po sa NBI, National Bureau of Investigation, si Palace Press Officer Claire Castro kahapon upang magpablatter kaugnay ng isang Facebook post na muna'y naglalaman ng banta sa kanyang seguridad. Narito ang balita ni Cherry Light.
Sinabi ni Palace Press Officer Claire Castro na ang Facebook post na kanyang ipinagpablatter ay inilathala ng luminous post na inuugnay kina Atty. Trixie Angeles Cruz at Ahmed Paglinawan at naging dahilan ng kanyang pag-aalala matapos itong mag-viral. Ayon kay Castro, pinag-aaralan pa niya ang posibilidad ng pagsasampa ng kaso habang pinili muna niyang ipablatter sa NBI ang insidente upang magkaroon ng opisyal na record at magsilbing batayan ng posibleng investigasyon ng mga otoridad.
Sabi kasi nila na kapag nilaglag ka ng humans mo, appendix at coccyx mo lang ang walang latay, resulta ng mga pinagagawa mo. So I really have to report this matter. Because if something happens to me, at least may nakareport po yung mga taong nagpapalutang ng ganitong klase mga grave threats.
Aminado rin si Castro na nakaramdam siya ng pangamba matapos lumabas ang naturang post noong Enero 2, lalo na nang mabilis itong kumalat sa social media.
At the time, of course natakot ka. Kasi hindi ko naman sanay sa death threats eh. Pero kasi sabihin na appendix mo lang ang walang latay, iba ang ibig sabihin nun. Meron itong pagbabanta sa iyong buhay. So yun yung naramdaman ko. At up to now, yun pa rin yung nararamdaman ko, kaya kailangan ko na mag-report.
Samantala, ayon naman kay NBI spokesperson Palmer Malyari, tama ang ginawang hakbang ni Castro na magpa-blatter kaugnay ng kanyang seguridad. Anya, mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng opisyal na record, lalo na kung sakaling burahin ang nasabing post.
Well, it's a good thing that it was actually recorded so that the post, once it is viewed by the agents, kahit burahin mo yan, meron na tayong hawak-hawak.
Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kung mahal, Cherry Light, SMNA News.
Naglabas naman po ng pahayag ang pahinang Luminous by Trixie Cruz Angeles and Ahmed Paglinawan po mga kapartner. Basahin lang natin yung kanilang tugon dito sa naging hakbang po ni Undersecretary Claire Castro. Sabi dito, and I quote, Undersecretary Claire Castro, as a lawyer understands or ought to, the crime of grave threats defined in the revised penal code as committed when a person threatens another with the infliction upon the person, honor or property of the latter or of his family of any wrong amounting to a crime. She is also aware that there is no threat of any sort in the post. So let's call this report, quote-unquote, what it is, an attempt to suppress speech and expression that is critical of the Marcos administration. Ms. Castro has been called many things in other posts, in other platforms, yet she never felt compelled to, quote-unquote, report any of them to the NBI. The writers on this page, however, have written many times about the failing of the current administration, with Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles even speaking out in public fora. As a prominent government official, she has at her disposal the might of state forces to weigh in on her personal complaints, and she is clearly not too shy to use it. And such basis as persuasive as her absolute sole interpretation of a post, the context for which she could have asked for very easily. By making this report and publicizing it to the full extent that the resources of PCO can, she intends an unmistakable chilling effect on others who post their opinions and criticisms of public officials in the exercise of their official functions on social media. No surprise there. She is the very reason why our Constitution protects free speech and expression. Luminous writers.